Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to make turmeric ginger pickle. Turmeric and ginger, they are from the same family and it's been used in India for thousands of years as a spice and medicinal herb. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we need to make this recipe. We need fresh turmeric to make this pickle. Here I have got 200 grams of turmeric and 100 grams of ginger. Wash it thoroughly and peel the skin. Cut them into small pieces. First, let's dry roast the spices. 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of fenugreek, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Dry roast them on a low heat for 2 minutes. Let it cool down completely. Transfer it to a blender and grind into a fine powder and set it aside. Use mustard oil for this recipe for better taste. So 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. This is 100 grams of garlic cloves, 6 green chilies. Increase or decrease according to your taste. 200 grams of fresh turmeric and 100 grams of ginger. Saute this for about 2 minutes. In another pan, add 50 ml of mustard oil. Make it slightly warm. Spice powder will get burnt if the oil is hot, so keep the flame to the lowest heat. Add the ground powder, all of it. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of asafoetida. Give all this a nice mix. Turn off the heat and remove the pan from the stove. Now let's add turmeric, ginger, garlic and chili to the spice. Add 1.5 spoons of salt and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix everything well so that the spices are nicely coated to the turmeric and the ginger. Try adding turmeric into your diet during cold and flu to help your immune system a little boost. Store this in a glass or a ceramic jar. Make in small batches. Remember to stir once a day for 3 days and refrigerate for longer use. It has anti-inflammatory, anti-fungal and antibacterial properties. It's a natural way to help boost the immune system. Try this recipe and enjoy the health benefits. Also share your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section below. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking!